time.
Mama.
Yeah, I want to hear Oliver's song before he goes. Okay, go, Oliver. One more time. I'm going to make a little movie so you can watch it. One more time before we eat them. Go.
Cat, cat, cat. Race track. 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 Cat, cat, cat. Race track.
Wow, what a finale.
Can I eat with this? Mama, Mama, you wanna? Yeah.
Maybe Ariana lost her sweet tooth. We haven't found
No,
out
I didn't. Mama, I want to whisper something in your ear. I want to whisper something in your ear.
Okay, ich hätte bitte gerne diese
yet. It's
Straße.
Oliver's. Don't ask me.
Okay.
Danke.
Mama, which cookie do you want? This one?
Okay. Thank you.
A track? Yeah, a track. This one? No, this one. This one? Yeah. Okay. Oh my God. Why?
Good try, though.
Only one of us is mine cookies. You can't have 4 or 2. Unfair. What?
Du musst einfach jetzt essen und dann nachher noch einmal fragen. Vielleicht ändert er das dann
No,
seine Meinung.
because I want to put one there.
Oh.
I pick a track that is.
Siehst du, da hättest du eins aussuchen müssen mit deinem Auto drauf. Dann hättest du es vielleicht gekriegt. Jetzt ist es zu spät.